Welcome to Stover's Pbis training tutorial. In this video, you will learn what Pbis means, how it is practiced and encouraged at Stover Middle School. First, we need to address a few things, like what does Pbis mean? What is the purpose of Pbis? And who is affected by Pbis? Pbis is an acronym for Positive Behavior Intervention Support. The purpose of Pbis is to encourage positive behaviors through a rewards system that recognizes students who do the right thing. Pbis is designed to reduce the focus on bad behaviors and promote good behaviors by acknowledging them through praise and rewards. At Stover Middle School, everyone is involved with Pbis. Even though Pbis is for the students, the faculty, staff, administrators, and bus drivers all go through a special training in order to appropriately and effectively implement Pbis. Now that you know what Pbis is and who is involved, it's time to know what it looks like in action. In order to do this, we will look at Stover's Pbis motto and den time.
Here at Stover, we strive to be on the prowl.
This means P, positive,
R, respectful,
O, organized,
W, wise,
L, lifelong learner.
For 30 minutes every morning, students will report to their dens. Dens are rather small with approximately 15 students per den leader. The first 15 minutes of den are for reading. Everyone in the school must be reading at this time. It is especially important that den leaders do this, as it models the expected behavior for their students. After reading, there is a question of the day. Questions alternate between math, English, and project-based questions. These questions act as a review for standardized tests. The final 10 minutes of den are like a study hall. Students are expected to work on homework or study. The den leader is either helping students or conferencing with them, which you will learn more about later. Pbis focuses on encouraging positive behavior by rewarding positive behavior. Students will get rewarded for being on the prowl and for doing what they are supposed to do. When students are caught being positive, respectful, organized, wise, and lifelong learners, they will be rewarded. Every student carries a prowl card on which they can earn signatures. Each prowl card has spots for 12 signatures. Once a card is filled with these signatures, the student can turn it in for a reward, or he can combine it with his other cards for a larger reward. All den leaders have a rewards poster hanging in their rooms. It is a list of rewards for which the signature cards can be redeemed. Rewards can be redeemed for 1 to 7 prowl cards. Some of the most popular rewards are to sit with a friend at lunch, use it as a late pass, which both cost 1 card, use it for a free snack at the candy sale, which costs 3 cards, and Chick-fil-A lunch for 5 cards. At the end of each quarter, students who are not written up during that quarter get to celebrate by earning special privileges. One popular privilege is to go out for recess instead of going to den. Even though there is a lot to celebrate with Pbis, consequences are inevitable. Stover has a solid system for consequences that all teachers must adhere to. In addition to their normal class rules and procedures, students earn a level 1 for not demonstrating the qualities of being on the prowl. This means students who are negative, disrespectful, disorganized, unwise, and do not demonstrate qualities of being lifelong learners will earn themselves a level 1. The ABE system is a website tool that eliminates papers for write-ups. Here, teachers who issue a level 1 for a student will type in the name of the student they are writing up and fill in the appropriate information. Teachers have the ability to view how many write-ups a student has as well as view the general school-wide data. Each Level 1 write-up that a student earns counts. The first Level 1 requires a conference between the student and his or her den leader. This happens during den time, when the leader listens to the student's side and takes minutes. The second Level 1 also requires a conference, but parent contact is required as well. The third Level 1 earns a student detention, another conference with the den leader, and parent contact. The fourth Level 1 earns detention and an intervention conference. The fifth Level 1 is a related arts detention. A sixth Level 1 becomes a referral to the office for a Level 2. Congratulations! Now you know what Pbis is and how it is used in the classroom. Stover can't wait to see you on the prowl.